If you need a free alternative to Microsoft Office on Windows 11, LibreOffice is one of the best free Office suites available right now. And today I'm showing you exactly how to download and install it on Windows 11. The first thing we need to do is open a web browser. Once it's open, head up to the search bar and type in LibreOffice Download, then hit Enter. Look for the result that points to LibreOffice.org. That's the official site, and it's always the safest place to download from. This will bring you to the main download page. You'll see the operating system field is already set for you. If for some reason it hasn't detected it correctly, just click that drop down and manually select Windows. Once everything looks right, go ahead and click the big download button. Your browser should start downloading the file right away. If it doesn't kick off automatically, there's usually a direct link. Just click that and it'll start right away. So, depending on your internet connection, this could take anywhere from a minute to several minutes. Once the download is done, open your Downloads folder and locate the installer file. Then, double-click it to launch the Setup wizard. The installation wizard will open with a welcome screen. Click Next to move forward. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose a setup type. Typical is the default, and it's the right choice for the majority of users. So, click Next to continue. If you'd like a desktop shortcut created, which I'd recommend, just for convenience, make sure that box is checked. There's also a Windows Startup option if you want LibreOffice to load when your PC boots, but I'll be leaving that one unchecked. Once you've made your choices, click Install. You might see a dialog box at this point asking whether to close any open applications or restart later. I'll select the option to leave them open and reboot afterward, then click OK. From here, the installer takes over. Just leave it and let it complete. When the process completes, click Finish to close the wizard. At this point, Windows 11 will let you know that a system restart is needed to finalize the installation. Go ahead and click Yes to restart your machine now. Once your computer has restarted and you're back on the desktop, it's time to open LibreOffice. Simply right-click the shortcut on your desktop and select Open. Either way, you'll be greeted by the LibreOffice Start Center. From here you have access to the full suite: Writer for word processing, Calc for spreadsheets, Impress for presentations, Draw, Base, and more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.